Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. If you're new here, I'm Kayi. In today's video, I'm going to share my chicken wings and garden peas recipe with you. Another quick and very easy recipe to make. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. Our ingredients for today's recipes are blended ginger, garlic and onion, 2 tins of garden peas, 290 grams each, red onions, this is my chicken wings right here, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, and also a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going in now in my heated oil with the tomato puree. I'm going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and I will be adding the blended ingredients. I bring the sauce to a very low heat to avoid the sauce to be splashed everywhere. It's time to add the garlic powder and the all-purpose seasoning. Stir gently and let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to add the chicken wings followed by the peas. Big shout out to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate the love and the support. Kindly help me grow this channel by sharing my content with family and friends. It's time now to add a little bit of pepper. You know, I like these chili flakes. It just gives that extra heat to the sauce. But if you don't like pepper, just skip that part. I'm going in now with the chicken wings and I will be adding as well some carrots. After that, I don't need to leave this on the stove for too long because everything is cooked already. As you can see, the carrot is also cooked. So in 2 minutes, I'm going to switch the stove off. If you're new here, I hope you are enjoying my content. If that is the case and you don't want to miss out on my delicious recipes, kindly subscribe. I'm going to still test this for the last time and see if I need a little bit of salt. After checking, I noticed no salt needed, so everything is perfect. I'm sure you noticed this is another very easy recipe to make, especially when you are super tired but you want something very tasty for yourself, your family or your friends. So our stew, as you can see now, is so ready and very inviting as usual. I'm going to pair it with rice, but feel free to pair this with some baguette if you want. I have one recipe just like that on this channel that I'm going to also link in the description box for you. And if you don't want to use chicken wings, you can just make your stew without it. Just add more vegetables, or you can also use beef or chicken breast for this recipe. Now I'm just going to add 1 egg, which you don't have to add, but I love sometimes having, you know, this with some eggs, so I just added 1, and you can see how inviting this recipe is already. I'm going to try it and let you know what I think. In Togo, we say midunulo, meaning you are invited to join me. So grab your fork or your spoon and let's dive right into this. I'm going to try the stew first, and that chili flakes that I added just gave my stew the perfect heat I needed. Now I'm just mixing it with the rice and it was just yummy. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Try the recipe and also don't forget to drop me a comment. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.